Hello, another Mike's Garage video. Today we're going to install a Givi toolbox behind the pannier rack of a 2023 Triumph Rally Explorer. Let's get started. Okay, here we are. We are going to install this Givi toolbox behind the panniers of this Rally Explorer. So, 2023 Rally Explorer. The Givi Toolbox, pretty standard unit that you get online. It's got a key. It's got the whole end there opens up. You can mount it on either side. I did buy a mounting bracket, but I had to modify it substantially to make this thing fit the way I wanted it to. So you can see the first thing I had to do was take the shock dampening bottle and move it from its original location, which was bolted here and here. Oops. I made these two brackets to hold it, and then I used just metal clamps and metal zip ties to hold it to the frame there. So that's what it looks like at this point. You can see there's a little bit of clearance against the rack there, so it's not up against the rack. Then I purchased a Givi mounting unit that came with these two pieces and this piece here. I cut this off. This had a big piece that came up over, but it still wouldn't fit because of this bottle. So I cut this off. I bolted it here, bolted these here, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, on the Givi toolbox, you have to drill out these four holes. I put longer screws in because I'm going to show you why here in a minute. And we went from there. This unit goes in here, goes inside and comes out. So take a look. Okay, there we are. So it's all bolted up now. You can see how I bolted it and how I used different brackets, and I had to modify that bottom bracket heavily. Do some drilling and cutting on that to get that to fit. You can see how it looks back here. Hangs down a little bit lower. You can see that there's clearance. And then here's what it looks like from the other side. Again, there's been several other people who've done very similar type installations. There you go. But this was the installation I came up with. Works pretty good. It's pretty solid. Let's put the pannier on and take a look. Now with the pannier on, you can see that it fits really good. It's really nice and tight in there, just like I wanted it to fit. Another little modification I had to make was to the little bolt right back here. You can see I had to cut the box just on that little spot there. To get that bolt to fit in there just right. Okay. And then I can stick in the little shelf. But what I do is I can't get it along the rails, so I just stuck it in like that. Got the nice shelf in there. Okay. And then this piece comes in here. This piece locks in here. It'll wiggle it around a little bit. There you go. Key goes in. Nice and locked. Nice clean install. Okay. Gotta wiggle it around to get it out there, but otherwise, that's how it works. All right, thank you for watching another Mike's garage install and shop piece on his Triumph Tiger 1200 2023 Rally Explorer. Thank you.